Here with the 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I've replaced the idle air control valve, throttle position sensor. Now I'm replacing this map sensor because I have an OEM upgrade throttle body and I want everything to be new. So let's get started.
Jungle.
I'm removing the negative battery cable so electric accessories can't operate, then remove the connector from the sensor and the AC line by lifting up on the tab and pulling outward. To remove the connector from the map sensor, push down on this tab and pull outward. And I'm using a right angle ratchet with the T25 Torx bit to remove the two screws. So this is the Manifold absolute pressure sensor that provides instant manifold pressure information to the computer. This data is used to calculate air density and determine the engine's air mass flow rate, which in turn determines the required fuel metering for optimum combustion. These Jeeps don't have mass airflow sensors, so this map sensor converts air mass data using the engine speed and air temperature to complete the speed density calculation. And a bad map sensor can upset fuel delivery and ignition timing, which can lead to a lean or a rich air-fuel ratio. Other symptoms include lack of engine power, misfire, and surging, but there's other videos with more info and diagnostics on this sensor that I won't get into. I'm using a Mopar replacement part number 5602-9405, and is with anything you want to check to make sure your parts are identical. We'll also need to transfer this elbow-shaped hose from the old sensor over to the new sensor. Also important to note, if your Jeep is 1996 or older, you'll need to use this map sensor because they take different connectors. It's Mopar part number 5602-8303.